If you are always on the hunt for the perfect chicken sandwich, this next segment is just for you. Restaurants are starting to slowly reopen and our dining options are expanding, and we want to introduce you to Birdcall. Now, this group is a part of the Colorado Chefs Association, and they are focused on organic foods, and they also want to increase our sustainability. So this is definitely one to try out. Let's take a look.
My name is Anthony Valletta. I am the head of restaurants for Birdcall here in Denver. We're 100% all natural product. Our mission is to make sustainable foods more accessible. Got some shaved Brussels sprouts here, nice and fresh, shaved nice and thin. Some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Shake that right across the top. Some dried cranberries, get a nice little that sweet flavor into here. Some fresh toasted pine nuts, a little bit of texture for your salad here. Fresh chopped chives. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Create a nice little velvety feel on the palate. Some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of that acid in the back. Our most important ingredient, this is a custom-made fork garlic spread, a little bit of pepper, give it a little bit of heat. We'll take all those together. We're just going to mix those all up nice and evenly. This makes for a great little summer treat. Be done as a side, be done as itself, put some grilled chicken on top. It's a big fan favorite. Take those off to the side. And there you have your Brussels sprout salad. The best thing about our business is that no 2 days are the same. We really get to have some fun, to be immersed in the community, and be able to provide some great opportunities for people to come work with us, people who are non-profitable to be able to partner up with us. I think most importantly, when it comes to food, we get to have fun every single day. It's amazing how food comes together, and you can really create some amazing dishes. And to me, I think the best part about our business is the fact that we get to create memories for guests every single day. I think that just alone is so rewarding for us. It's the best part about the job. And to continue to really make sure we're a big part of the community, we have a 1% give back program every single month that we do to local community organizations. So we have our teriyaki chicken sandwich, new seasonal item. Comes with some fresh Boston Bib lettuce, partnered up with Kim's Gourmet, a nice local Denver sauce purveyor for our teriyaki sauce. Some fresh pineapple, put some brown sugar on there, get it very nice and caramelized, and some fresh sliced pepper jack cheese to make a beautiful sandwich. Teriyaki to me with the grilled pineapple just is phenomenal for summertime. Pineapple just kind of speaks summer, so it's amazing the dynamic flavors you get from there. A little bit of brown sugar is really beautiful on the pineapple. Teriyaki is always amazing. That pepper jack gives it a little bit of spice. And the fresh Boston Bib lettuce just always a great piece on top of that Aspen fresh baked bun. So I think one of my pro tips when you're looking to really make some great food is you got to have a good balance of 4 different items. A good balance of fat, salt, acid, and heat. If you find that perfect balance, that's when you find those perfect dishes. We got a few locations at Union Station in Whole Foods, one at 5 Points and one here in Evans. Look forward to seeing you down for dinner.
You can easily order the fresh and delicious menu items at Birdcall through their website, eatbirdcall.com. Learn more about the work of the Colorado Chefs Association and find recipes on acfcoloradochefs.com.